Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a priority matrix in Excel, step by step, super simple and beginner friendly. If you've ever felt overwhelmed with too many tasks and don't know where to start, this tool will literally help you decide what to focus on first. So let's jump right into it. So step 1 is you're going to open up your Microsoft Excel and in the Google Sheets, and then from there, you're going to make a list of simple tasks. So in column A, you can type in your task name. So for example, I have here write report, reply to client emails, and then in column B, you're going to label it urgency. Give each task a score from 1 to 10, where 10 means super urgent and 1 means can wait. In column C, we're going to label it importance. Again, score them from 1 to 10, where 10 means very important and 1 means not so critical. This table gives you a clean base to visualize which tasks matter most. Step 2 is we're going to now create the chart. So we're going to highlight the urgency and the importance columns, not the task names, just the numbers. And then we're going to head over to insert at the top of the page. Now from here, we're going to click on the charts right here, and then you will see this scatter plot. We are going to click on that, and then you will now see dots on your graph. Each dot represents a task based on how urgent and important it is. For now, the chart may look blank or unlabeled, but we will fix that next. Now this step is where it gets clearer. We're going to right click on any dot on a chart. So for example, this one, this is the most important one. We're going to right click on that, and then we're going to click on add data labels. Now from there, you will already see the value from cells. This part works in newer versions of the Excel. Now we're going to select the task name. So in column A, each dot shows its name. If you're on an older Excel version, no worries. You can just manually add short text boxes next to the dot. So for example, we're going to click on number 10, and we know that number 10 of importance is the task write report. So we're just going to rename this one write report. And then we are going to click on OK. Now from there, we're going to do this for the rest of the dots right here. Now to divide your chart into 4 clear zones, we're going to draw 2 simple lines. We're just going to drag it over right here first so that our chart is next to these. So we're just going to click on insert. Now we're just going to click on insert right here, and then we're going to insert a shape. We're going to click on a line, and then we are going to drag the line over to our chart to place it over there. So we're just going to connect it at the dots right there. So this one is the midpoint of the importance scale. So the vertical line is actually the midpoint for the urgency scale, which is around 5. And then the horizontal line will serve as the midpoint for the importance scale. So again, we're just going to insert a line. But this instantly creates the 4 quadrants of the Eisenhower matrix. Now, we're going to make it visual. We're going to use triangles or rectangles or just shade backgrounds to highlight what each quadrant means. So for this one, we're going to click on insert once again, and then click on shapes. And then from here, we're going to add rectangles. I'm just going to do one and then let you do the rest. So I'm just going to drag it over right here. So this one is the most important, or the one with the high urgency, high importance. So these are the do now tasks. These are the must do's, the deadlines or urgencies. We're going to add color into this. So as you can see, you can't really see the graph, right? You can see the dots. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a new color right here. So for example, this one is going to be green because this is the one with high urgency. And then we're just going to drag the opacity to low. We're going to set it to low like that, and then hit on OK. And then now you can finally see the dots. Now you're just going to have to do that for the rest of the graph, and that's it. You can fill each area so that you know which ones are the ones with high importance and high urgency. And then after that, you can just start testing it. You can try changing a few urgency or importance scores, and then you will see how your dots automatically move around the graph, showing you how task priorities shift. And that's it. And that's it. You have just built your own priority matrix in Excel. Fully customizable, visual, and super helpful for managing your time like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.